Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore one of the prominent places in the history of Indian independence. Jhansi, the historic city in UP. It lies in the region of Bundelkhand. She has several stories to tell us about the valor of various heroes in the past. Among them, Rani Lakshmibai, well known as Jhansi Ki Rani, was a prominent personality who used this as an abode during her struggle against the British rule. The construction of Jhansi Fort dates back to 1630s by King of Orcha Veer Singh Judev. Later it was handed over to Peshwa Bajirao of Maratha Empire by Raja Chhatrasal as a mark of gratitude for helping him against Muhammad Khan Bangash. Let's have a glimpse of Jhansi Fort. On the right side of the entrance of this fort, we can see a huge cannon named Kadak Bijli. Moving forward, there is a Ganesh Mandir where the marriage of Manikarnika Tambe and Raja Gangadhar Rao was solemnized in 1842. After the marriage, Manikarnika was known as Rani Lakshmibai and she used to pay regular visit to this temple. On the demise of Raja Gangadhar Rao, Rani took over the administration of Jhansi. However, the East India Company was not ready to accept Rani Lakshmibai as a ruler. So they ordered Rani Lakshmibai to leave the fort and palace. This is the second entrance to the fort. In June 1857, she revolted against British East India Company. Jhansi was attacked by the company forces led by General Hugh Ross in 20th March 1858. The fort was captured on 4th April 1858. Rani Lakshmibai and her troops fought bravely and she made a daring escape on her horseback along with her adopted son. This jumping spot is the place where Rani managed to escape. Wall of the fort in this area is shorter and it is quite slopey. So Rani, with her extraordinary courage, left the fort and reached Kalpi, from where she reached Gwalior and continued her struggle against British. In this picture, we can clearly see the jumping point and the slope where Rani managed to escape. A bird's eye view of Jhansi city is visible from here. This 5-storied palace structure inside the fort is called Panch Mahal, which was used by Rani Lakshmibai to stay. These were the shelters of troops. There is also a Bhairav temple inside the fort which is near to Panchmahal. This is the gateway to the Hanging Tower. The condemned prisoners were hung from this tower. This is the Hanging Tower. Rani Lakshmibai fought valiantly like a man against the British rule in India. On 17 June 1858, Rani Lakshmibai was badly wounded during a war against the British. Not wishing the British to capture her body, she told a hermit to burn her body. As per the reports of the battle, General Hugh Ross commented that Rani Lakshmibai was personable, clever and beautiful, and she was the most dangerous among all Indian leaders. After visiting the fort, we went to the nearby museum. This is the real picture of Rani Lakshmibai kept in the museum. We can also get a glimpse of various life events of Rani Lakshmibai through the demonstration of miniature statues there. This is the original flag used by Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi. Several other artifacts were also displayed there. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Soon we will meet with another travel vlog. Thank you.